Hello guys, in this short video I will teach you how you can reduce the rate of name disapproval or rejection from the Corporate Affairs Commission at the cost of you applying for name reservation. Just in case you frequently receive disapproval mail from CAC after submitting your proposed business or company name for reservation, then this video is for you. In this video, I will teach you the trick of preventing continuous rejection of your proposed business name for reservation on the CAC portal. This has been my hidden trick and I have decided to share it with you guys. The solution to this is by doing a proper name or public search. Most people do not really know how to run a search to confirm the availability of their proposed business name. To run a public search is simple, but it requires some technicality, and that is what I'm about to reveal to you guys today. So please and please, if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly pause this video for a second and hit the subscribe button below. Subscribing to my YouTube channel is free, and that is the only way I get motivated to create more and more content. Now, before you can run a public search, the first thing you need to do is for you to get the name of the business you wish to register. Just in case you don't know how to get a business name for yourself, you can use Chatgpt. Kindly check out my previous video on how to use Chatgpt to generate business name at the description of this video. Having said this, let's dive to the video proper. Now, there are three principles of carrying out a public search. The first principle is the search should be done based on the keywords that make up the business name. It could be a one keyword, two keyword, three keyword as the case may be. Example, let's say Ade Global Resource. So Ade Global and Resource are three different keywords. The second principle is by adding a unique word to differentiate your business identity from other existing names that are closely similar with your own business name. Assuming you carry out a public search on the CAC portal on Ade Global Resource and you saw an existing name that is Ade Global Resource, all you just have to do is for you to add an additional unique word to it so that you can differentiate yours from other existing business name. So therefore, if I'm in your shoe or if I'm the one carrying out this registration on Ade Global Resource, all I just have to do is for me to add an additional unique word to Ade Global Resource by saying Ade Global Resource exclusive or premium ventures to it. Now the third principle is to rerun a full search including the additional keywords that you have added. So since you have selected Ade Global Resource and you have added exclusive to it, then you do a full or a complete search on the CAC search portal to confirm the availability of the name. Having said all of this, let's look at a simple practical section on how you can achieve this. Now, to run a public search, the first thing is for you to go to your browser and type CAC search portal. Let's go to Corporate Affairs Commission website. Now from the home page, I will click on public search. Well, so this is the search section. Now let's take for instance that I want to register Gauzy Venture. Now the keyword here is Gauzy, so I will go to, based on the first principle, it says that carry out a search based on the keyword that make up the business or company name. Now in this scenario, Gauzy is the keyword. So I will type Gauzy here and click on search. Now, assuming I want to register Gauzy Enterprise as a business name, the possibility for me to get the name approved is very rare because there are so many businesses that have the keyword Gauzy to it. Now you can see Gauzy Electrical Service, you can see Gauzy Kings Enterprise, Gauzy Properties and Business Solution, Gauzy Jones Food and Beverages, Gauzy Automobile Enterprise, Gauzy Paint. You can see Gauzy Enterprise already. You understand? So Gauzy Logistics. So the possibility for CAC to register Gauzy Enterprise for me is not there. Now what I need to do is for me to add an additional keyword. That is the reason why when you look at these names I just called, you can see the people that want to register Gauzy as a name to their business name, they added an additional keyword. Starting from the first one, they added electrical services. The second person added King's Enterprise. So they added King's Enterprise. The third person added properties and business solution. The fourth, you can see Jones Foods and Beverages, right? So therefore, there is need for me to add an additional keyword that will differentiate my own business name from other existing businesses that has Gauzy attached to theirs, right? So I will say, okay, I'm still going through. You can see Gauzy Edibles, Gauzy Concepts, Gauzy Ventures, Gauzy Fashion. Check the other parts. Now, what I will do is, the second principle states that you need to add an additional keyword to your existing keyword in order to differentiate your business name or company name from others. Now, since my first choice is Gauzy as keyword, now I need to add an additional keyword to Gauzy. So I will add classic. So let me run a search on Gauzy Classic and see. Good. Now I've run a search on Gauzy Classic. I can see it is available. So let me rerun another search using the post incorporation search section. I will take this name from here, go to post incorporation search section and post. Let's see Gauzy Classic. Click on search and see if the name. Now it is showing no record found or no matching record found for search item Gauzy Classic. So that simply means uh, this name is readily available for registration, therefore I can proceed, right? So that is how it is. That is how I can run. That's how you can technically run public search to confirm the availability of the name that you wish to register. Now, the essence of this is for you to save yourself from continuous or spontaneous rejection of your proposed business or company name by the Corporate Affairs Commission. So whether you like it or not, whenever you submit your application for name reservation, it must always go to the CAC review team for them to check if such name that you are proposing is in existence. So when such name already exists, CAC have no any other choice than to um, reject. And again, apart from that, CAC also look at the similarity at when a name is closely similar with the name that you are proposing, CAC will reject it. So that is the essence of you doing this search, to be sure that the name that you are proposing to CAC is not in existence or does not have a close relationship with any other existing business. So if you find this video helpful, please and please kindly give it a thumbs up and share the video to other people that you think will need it in solving their own problem when it comes to them registering their business with the Corporate Affairs Commission. And again, if you wish to join my masterclass where you will learn how to carry out different forms of registration ranging from a business name, company registration, partnership business registration, an NGO, church registration, and so on and so forth, kindly check the description of this video and reach out to us so that we can get you enrolled and teach you the necessary skill skill you need to know when it comes to you carrying out registration services for your own self, and you can use the same skill to help other people to register their business and get paid. That is all about that for now. Stay tuned and keep watching. I'm Chris. I am ProWeb Digital.